Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make use of bonuses on 22bet. Before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to receive alerts every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. On the search bar, type in 22bets. Me. Once you've entered that, you'll see these results. Click on the first link, and it will take you to this page. On this page, log into your account. If you don't have an account, register by clicking on this link that says registration. If you already have an account, click on the login button and log into your account. Once you're logged in, on the top bar, you'll see different options. From these options, click on the one that says bonuses. It will display various kinds of bonuses. Choose one of these bonuses, then click on the Find Out More button to see the instructions to get the bonus. Alternatively, you can read the terms and conditions of the bonus by clicking on this button. Check if you're eligible to redeem the bonus or not. There are different kinds of bonuses available, you can select any one and use it. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to stay informed about our new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one.